Good morning, everybody. Today we're still working on the Sea-Doo. Believe we've ran it all the way back and probably have I'm gonna diagnose a bad fuel pump. I'm gonna say that I have a bad fuel pump. I have one on the way for it. I've been through and cleaned out fuel rail injectors, pressure regulators, all of that stuff, and I'm still not getting the fuel pressure that I need. So I do imagine it to be a bad fuel pump. I have also, in the meantime, I was working through that, diagnosed a bad rectifier on here. So I've got one of them guys. We're gonna pop that rectifier on here first. I'll show you guys where that's at. My fuel pump should be on the way for today. Anyways, yeah, gonna tear into it and get that stuff replaced. Try and get this thing out on the lake soon. Keep on saying, yeah, today. Well, I don't know. Eventually, that's what we'll say today, and maybe we'll see. I do believe, I do declare, I gotta get a hold of somebody really quick, and I think we're gonna really head over the lake for an actual test run this time. Let's see if we can start it again and get it up over 5,200. That was also a problem area before. I'm gonna take my fuel pressure test kit out of here. Man, I'm so excited right now. That sounds nasty. Oh, I can't wait. All right, for real, dude, we're going to the lake. I don't care if it's gonna rain or what. This is gonna be sweet. All right, so new fuel pump installed, new rectifier installed. We've put in a new fuel filter, cleaned out the injectors, the fuel rail, all of that. Still haven't addressed the original problem that I knew about, which is a leaky oil tank, but it runs with that. So my basic rule of thumb is make sure that everything else is cherry before we go replacing reservoirs that cost hundreds of dollars. So we are on the way to the lake right now to go and take it out again. Oh yeah, cleaned out the ray valves also, and we're gonna see. I had it up to like 6,500 in the garage for RPMs. Now I'm gonna get it out on the water and try and let it open up, see if I can actually max this thing out, see if I'm close to being done with it or what. Yeah, so we're going for another test run now. Plop her in the water and we'll go from there. All right, so we are back at the lake. A little bit of an overcast day, but you know, testing has to be done. So We're here to find out how well she runs, if she makes it all the way up to her full RPM potential. If anything's gonna let loose on what I just did, or if we can move forward, possibly start listing this thing. All right. Well, it was a little bit of a road, but I do believe that we've got ourselves a well-running Sea-Doo, so we're gonna get down to cleaning her up a little bit and making her a little bit more presentable. She ain't bad, but she needs a good washing now. Get all the grease marks off it from me messing around with everything. But yeah, that was pretty fun. Smacked my knee there at the end, and I was just done. So now it's time to clean her up. Hope you guys enjoyed that little one.